So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great considering what's going on right now. I hope you guys are staying at home, and I hope that your loved ones are doing well as well. And if not, they are definitely in my prayers. This is definitely a difficult time, but just understanding the importance of what staying at home will do for you. So that's all I really have to say about that right now, but I hope you're staying occupied. So I decided to do my makeup today because I haven't been feeling like doing makeup. Like, one, I'm embracing like my naturalness, and two, I really just haven't been feeling myself in a good little minute now. So I'm just like, why put on makeup if I'm not gonna like it or whatever? But I decided to put on makeup today, and I feel happy because I have my new hairdo, which I did myself. I did these passion twists with the inspiration from basically my sister. Known her for forever. Definitely consider her one of my closest friends. Best friend is her title, but like, I really consider her a sister at this point. But she did these on hers, and she was going to do mine, but then we had this whole lockdown thing happen. So I was like, I don't have nothing but time. Let's see what I can do. Okay, let's see what I can pull off. So this is that. I don't have anything laid right now or attempt. But yeah, no, I actually really enjoy it. I use the rubber band method. I definitely want to add more jewels and stuff like that. But when I bought the hair, I forgot to add jewels. And these are literally like two that I had from previous. So, but either way, today I am coming with random facts about me. I've been on YouTube for 2 years now, not consistent, but I have, and I feel like you guys should know who I am. Just because I really am. Once I'm done with school, you guys, when May hits, I'm gonna be consistent, okay? Once the last paper is turned in, last discussion board, I got y'all. I will not use school as an excuse anymore. Maybe I'll use something else. But no, I want to try to be consistent. So yeah, I want to come to you guys with five random facts about me, Chandler Dare. But before that, I need you to like this video because and also subscribe to my channel and hit them notifications, that little bell, so that you know when I'm uploading. When I do, because it's sporadic as is, so you might as well. Okay, so period. So yes, we're gonna hit 5 random facts about me today. I also wanted to give you guys like a little, maybe like springish look. Once we're able to go outside, maybe it'll be summer, maybe we'll need to do something else. But that's kind of what I was channeling here. So, first random fact is I do not like if you judge me. Actually, I don't care. I do not like the wash rags, okay? I feel like the soap don't get into it. I don't feel like you get enough suds, or maybe I'm just not doing it right, but I use Dr. Bronner's soap, and I just don't like, and even before that I used Dove Sensitive Skin, and that's kind of what I did pretty much my whole childhood, and so I just don't like thick wash rags. I don't feel like they get you what you need, and so I get them little ones from Walmart, the little colorful joints, because I feel like they get me clean. I'm clean. And I'm clean. I just don't like thick wash rags. That's so random, but that's just me. Fact number 2. As you guys know, my first name is Chandler, but growing up, I did not like my first name. Like, did not like it at all. I actually, one summer during summer camp, I went by the name Chelsea. And everything was all good until my mom started picking me up and people were calling me Chelsea. And my mom was just like, I think I ain't Chelsea. And I was like, I don't know. And she was really upset. My name was supposed to be Chelsea Cameron Chandler. So that's what she named me out of those 3 options. But I just did not accept it. I don't know. I just didn't feel like it fit. But I definitely think I'm a Chandler now. I mean, it's so different. I love unisex, like double gender names. I'm sure I plan to do that with my children. But now that I've grown up, I've definitely truly love my name. And so thank you, Mama. I'm sorry I did not appreciate it beforehand. But yes, I used to have people call me Chelsea. Let's see. Number 3. I don't know what that was. I have never been tailgating. I've also never been to an NFL game, which is maybe why those go together. But I went to a performing arts school in high school, did not have actual sports. I went to a all-girls private school where we did have sports, but we didn't have football, so there'd be no reason to tailgate. So I just never, and I mean, I went to a school in Raleigh where there were tons of NC State, Duke, Chapel Hill, all those schools. So I could have very well tailgated. I just never did. I really want to though. Like, it's really been on my brain. Cause I wrote down these facts a while ago. So I still haven't been tailgating. It's all good though. It's all good. I'll get it eventually. All things come when you need them. Let's see. Next fun fact. My love for seafood runs deep, okay? My mother is from Charleston, South Carolina, where I spent a lot of my time. So I have been eating and cracking crabs since the age of 8, okay? I consider myself a professional. When y'all be wearing them smocks and gloves and stuff, I'll just be like, okay, all right. Now, unless I'm dressed, then yes, I will. Like if I went out to eat or whatever, but if I'm just cracking crabs at the house, what do I need all that for? You better be glad I'm using a shell cracker, cause I knows how to open a shell without using that, okay? So yes, I love seafood. I prefer blue crabs over crab legs, but I'll do what I have to do with. But yes, I have been cracking crabs since I was 8. Last and one of the most important facts I think for me is the fact that I grew up in church, okay? I grew up Southern Baptist, went to a church here or in Charlotte, and that's pretty much, I sang on the choir. I also went to another church briefly where I was on the usher team. I did liturgical dancing. Like, I was in it, okay? I may not have been behaving, but it's all up here still, okay? I consider myself non-denominational and currently shopping for a church, but I just wanted you guys to understand how important. I know I make some minor references, but I did just want you guys, and I've done reviews on Sarah Jakes Roberts' book and stuff like that, so just kind of giving you guys more of an understanding. I grew up in the church and I still believe in God. And so that's just another fact about me. I grew up in the church, okay? So those are random facts about 5 random facts about Chandler Darray, speaking in third person. But I also wanted to give you guys a bonus one, because why not, right? I know you guys see him in and out of some of my videos, so I just thought I'd explain. That is my godson, Talon, and I have him a lot of times, consistently, and that's just my homie. I love him so much. He is like my little best friend, my broke little best friend. He's the funniest person to me. I love him so much. blood is the only thing that separates him from him feeling so close to me and feeling like he's mine. He's the best thing that's really happened to me. He has taught me patience. He's taught me love. He always wants to give me hugs and kisses. Now, don't get me wrong. He's definitely a Sour Patch Kid, but he's amazing and he's so smart. And I'm not just saying that because he's mine, because he is, and I will tell you the truth. Like, okay, baby, let's do some more flashcards. But no, he's really, really smart. But yes, you guys will see him. Now, I really have been pondering on doing vlogs with him. I just am wary about the children and being in like the public, like, even though like I'm not like big on YouTube or whatever, but just seeing like having a kid on there, I'm not too sure. That's why he's there in tidbits, you know. But I love him, and he's taught me so much, and I thank his mom for letting me be such an instrumental part of his life, because that's my dog. But so that is the end of this video. I have nothing more to say, but like I said, make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any video ideas, make sure you leave them down in the comment section. But until next time, bye.